Hi, in this video, I want to run through what are keyframes and how you can use them to create animations inside of PhotoVibrance. So a keyframe inside of PhotoVibrance basically tells us where we want to position the camera. So right now by default we have a keyframe at 0 seconds, and this right now shows us the position of where we are with this camera. Okay, so if I move it there, this is the position at 0 seconds where the camera is going to be. Now I want to move the camera, and I want it to basically, move it down like so I can reveal this text here. So what I'm going to do is click on Add Keyframe, and I'm going to place it about 4 seconds. So it's going to start at 0 seconds, and it's going to start at this position. Then at 4 seconds, I'm going to click on this one to select it, and I'm going to move the camera so that it moves from this position to this position like so after 4 seconds. So I might just zoom in as well a little bit. And it's basically setting the position and also the scale or the zoom of this camera, okay? So at 4 seconds now, this is the position and the scale of this keyframe. Now if I go back to 0, you'll see this is where we started, and now we've got at 4 seconds it's like so. So if I play this through, you've got this animation. Now if we want to create another keyframe to go from this position to another position, what we do is click on Add Keyframe, and let's say about at 7 seconds, so we're going to go from 4 seconds, so 3 seconds in between, it's going to move to another position. So what we can do is maybe move this back down like so to hide that text again. Maybe we can zoom out slightly, maybe rotate it slightly even if we want, and let's position it like so. So now this is the end position of this other keyframe, okay? So let's just preview that. Okay, great. Now if we want to create an animation where it goes from here to here, and then it stays here for 1 second and then moves to here, what we can do is simply select this keyframe, this position, and then double click, and it's going to create another keyframe with the same values of this keyframe. So it's going to stay still here, and then it's going to move over like so. So let's preview that. And as you can see, now it's moving back like so. So that's just a quick overview of keyframes. The best thing to do is go through and have a try and have a play around with it. But basically we're setting positions where we want the camera to move to after a certain amount of time. So the time is down over here, and the current timeline is 10 seconds long. You can adjust the duration of the timeline as well by dragging this out like so. And yeah, that's a quick overview of using keyframes inside of PhotoVibrance.